recording it already. Look at his hand.
Hello, friend.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you today?
Good.
Well, no food today.
Again.
What to do?
Nothing. Just come to the library. Yeah.
And grab some books.
Yeah.
Let's just go over to the fairy tale already. Oh, is it kind
Well, there's no fairy tale here.
Well, the lion, the princess, and the knight, and the dragon.
Because we don't like school. School is important.
How about you read this book to us? Give her the book.
Yeah.
I only have 2 hands. I can't.
Just read
How about the princess read it to us?
How? How's the police supposed to read it?
Here, okay, I'll read the book then.
I'll read it.
Little nut brown hair.
Thank you for reading
Little
so
nut
bossy and not listening.
brown hair. Little nut brown hair.
The end.